My woodshop is in desperate need of dust collection and air filtration. Dust collection is a work in progress, but when I saw these 360-degree air filters for a really decent price, I thought I would try them out. As is often the case, when it looks too good to be true, it is too good to be true. And yes, those are OSHA-approved safety crocs. I bought 2 of these, and when they arrived, they looked pretty decent. They felt well built and sturdy and looked the part. Unfortunately, the good times kind of end there. First up are the super tiny hooks the filters come with. I wouldn't trust a small potted plant hanging from these, much less a surprisingly heavy air filter that will be dangling over my head. So I upgraded their super tiny hooks with these larger hooks you see on the left. They come with a simple remote to control power, fan speed, and even a timer to turn them off after a few hours. The big issue here is that the IR sensor seems to be triggered by other light sources which turn the filters on and off at random. Not a good thing. The biggest failure of these fans is the noise. They are loud. Jet engine in your shop, loud, even on low. And when you turn them on high, ugh. Only do that when you leave for the day. Here they are on low. And here they are on high. I know it's hard to understand the noise level from a video, but we're talking leaf blower in your shop loud. Too loud to work without ear protection, in my opinion. That sucks because with 360-degree intakes, these could have been a really decent filter with just a little more engineering. At this point, however, I can't wait to replace them. I really need to stop buying these knockoff cheap brands. It never works out. Stick with a name you know and trust and skip the junk brands. That's the lesson here. Or better yet, make your own. It's just a squirrel cage fan and an HVAC filter. Throw on a smart plug and it'll be better than these for sure. Project idea. Thanks for watching. Hope this saves you from wasting your money.